April is here, with spring and some green shoots starting to form in the crypto market. The beginning of April also marks the end of the first quarter, and we, therefore, take a look at what has happened over both the past month and the quarter as a whole. In January, the crypto market ended largely in the red across the board, despite some green candles on the last day of the month. February, on the other hand, turned out to be a good month, with many of the larger crypto assets by market capitalization, the so-called blue-chip cryptos, seeing double-digit percentage gains for the month. With that said, let's now take a look at March in the year's first quarter, which coins have moved higher, which have fallen, and which still tread water. Overall, the top 10 coins by market capitalization performed well in March, although the performance for major coins such as Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, was less impressive than in February. In a sign that altseason may have already arrived, BTC saw the weakest performance among the top 10 coins last month, excluding stablecoins. The coin rose by just 1.95% for the month to trade at a price of $44.478 as the month came to an end. ETH, on the other hand, saw relatively strong performance for the month, rising by 9.89% to a price of $3.241. The performance for both of the two largest cryptocurrencies was well below what was seen in February when BTC and ETH both rose by about 15% for the month. Still, it is worth noting that most of the selling for the two coins happened during the first 4 days of the month, and both saw gains for the most part after that. Thus among the top 10 coins in March was the Ethereum-challenger Solana, SOL, which rose by 22.33% for the month to $119.45. The token was followed by Cardano, ADA, and then recently hot stablecoin protocol Terra, LUNA, with gains of 15, 64% and 91%, respectively. Moving back a little further to check the overall performance for the first quarter, we see that many coins are now in the red, largely as a result of weak performance in January. The losses seen for the quarter as a whole were particularly bad for SOL, which dropped by 31%. The quarterly fall comes as a result of the major sell-off in the first month of the year, which SOL is yet to recover from. Meanwhile, we can also see that BTC ended in the red for the quarter with a fall of 5.9%. Bitcoin's performance thus ended just marginally worse than XRP's, which performed best among the top 10 coins for the quarter with a fall of just 2.59%.